Welcome to Rust by Examples, Lesson 11. Today we'll build a CSV data processor. You'll learn to read, transform, and write CSV files. The CSV crate is the standard for CSV handling in Rust. Reader parses files with automatic header handling. The Deserialize method converts rows directly to structs. Serde Derive macros make serialization easy. Deserialize converts CSV rows to Rust structs. Serialize converts structs back to CSV output. Let's create a new project called CSV_processor. Cargo new sets up the project structure. We add the CSV and Serde crates as dependencies. The Derive feature enables Serde macros. Here's our cargo.toml with both dependencies. The default main.rs is ready. Let's create our sample employee data. We open NVIM and disable auto indentation. The CSV header defines our column names. Each row contains employee information: name, department, salary, and years of experience. We have 10 employees across 3 departments: engineering, marketing, and sales teams. Now we save the file with :wq. Let's view the contents with cat. Our sample data is ready for processing. Now let's write code to read our CSV file. We import error, file, and Deserialize. The employee struct matches our CSV columns. Derive Deserialize to enable automatic parsing. Main returns a result for error handling. File. Open reads the employees.csv file. Reader from _reader creates the CSV parser. We print a formatted header for the output. The for loop iterates through each row. Deserialize converts each row to an employee. We print each employee's information. Save the file and view the complete code. Our CSV Reader is ready to test. Let's run our CSV Reader. Cargo run compiles and executes the program. All 10 employees are displayed with formatting. The CSV data was parsed correctly. Now let's add bonus calculation and output. Now let's add bonus calculation and CSV writing. We add Serialize to our imports for writing. The employee struct reads input data. Bonus report struct defines our output format. It includes name, department, salary, bonus, and total. Calculate bonus gives 10% per year. The bonus is capped at 50% maximum. We collect all employees into a vector. Then map each to a bonus report using our function. File. Create opens the output CSV file. Writer from _writer creates the CSV writer. We serialize each report and flush the buffer. Now we print the summary to console. Save the file and view the complete code. The bonus calculator is ready to run. Let's run the complete demo. Cargo run executes our bonus calculator. Each employee's bonus is calculated correctly. Henry Wilson has the highest total at $142,500. The output CSV file is also created. Let's view the bonus report CSV file. It contains the complete bonus report data. Let's recap what we learned. The CSV crate reads and writes CSV files. Deserialize converts rows to structs. Serialize converts structs to CSV output. Filter map and collect process data efficiently. Thanks for watching. Next lesson, we'll explore regex text matching.